Hey everyone, it's Sean Batchelor, and this is my Project 3 assignment review video, and it's week 3, Project 3, as I said before, term 1402 of Visual Frameworks. Now, just wanted to show you, this is my application right here. We were tasked with creating an application that has thumbnails, an image gallery with thumbnails, at least 20 images, and it should be scrollable. So here we are, the gallery actually scrolls right here, even though I only have 21 images, but it does work. And then when you click on one of the images, it should open up that image in almost full screen. The screen has a title pulled from the object and a close button I can click to close it, and the gallery also has a close button down here that I can click. So this is my opening window right here, which I click to open the gallery, and as you can see, everything works pretty well. It's probably not the cleanest code ever, but as I said before, it does work. So here's my code. This is my bootstrap file. Just the regular basic code. I have my main window, the headers for my windows, a few labels, and the close buttons actually in here. I have the call to load my secondary JavaScript file right down here, and then a few additional standard calls. Over here now, it's the main code to the application that I created. I have a few global variables right here. It's just things that I reused often. And then in this portion of the code, I've separated here where I have I create the gallery. So this is the initial part that creates that opening screen with the yellow button that opens up the gallery with the thumbnails. So right here I just have a few windows, views, and a couple labels, and then I have some calls down here down by the bottom. Now this is the part that got a little challenging for me. It was actually integrating the click opening for each of these right here. So what I did was I had to create the thumbnails, and I create the thumbnails right here with an image view, add it to a view, and then add that view to a separate view right here, which I placed in an image scroller, and then that goes into my main window at the top right there. And then this here is just the background code that creates everything that's on the screen when it opens up, including my little fancy X right here that I'm so proud of. Then down the bottom, I have a few event listeners right here, and all of this is in one big giant for loop. I don't know if that's the best way to implement the code, but it works. So I mean, I'm sure the instructor will tell me if I got a problem with it. Anyway, like I said, the app does work. Click my close button, goes back to my gallery. I can click on an image, open the image, close the image, and close the gallery. So this is Sean Batchelor, and this is my week 3 project 3 assignment review, and it's Visual Frameworks term 1402. Thanks for listening.